Hey, what's up guys, it's your boy Jay, the Moto Marauder, back at again with another video. Hope you guys are having an amazing time, an amazing day. Oh, there's a car coming, let's speed it. Anyways, in today's video, we're not really talking about bike stuff, we're talking about what's coming up on the channel. I want you guys' opinion on, I'm thinking of doing a winter build on, I don't know, some sort of vehicle. I'm still trying to decide. Just to get through the colder months where I might not be able to drive when there's a lot of snow. Of course, we are in Canada, we're in rainforest here in BC. If not a ton of snow, we're going to get hail, sleet, rain, the whole shebang in the upcoming month. That was embarrassing. Anyways, yeah, we're going to be getting rain, sleet, snow, hail, or whatever. A lot of it in the next upcoming months. So probably not so much in September, but October till like January. October till like the end of the year, till Christmas. It's going to be a ton of rain, and I plan on riding whenever I can. But I'm also, as you guys might have remembered in one of my other videos, mentioned I'm looking to purchase a vehicle for like daily commuting and more. On those days, because I need to get to work and like drive. It's like a dry business attire. So I'm looking at getting a car soon. But I'm trying to think of content-wise, what should I get? What do you guys want to see? I know so far we've done more videos, I'd say, like on Ford Mustangs. We've done videos on Beamers, like E90 and the E46. I'm really tempted to get another Beamer, especially at E90. I like them. The E46 I like, but I would rather get a coupe, but that might be out of my budget. That's like, compared to a sedan, I feel like that's like maybe $1,500 to $2,000 more. But I don't know if I want to justify if it's a car I'm going to be using just for a little bit for now, and then building it up a little bit. Like maybe if I can find a good deal. I don't know. Maybe try something new. Maybe a Japanese car. I don't know. Maybe a Honda. You know, for the views. You know the Hondas get views. You know the Beamers get views. So I'm trying to figure out what to get. I would love you guys' input. Like maybe we could do a bike. I was thinking of a G35 if you saw one, but yeah, the G35 might be in the budget too. Or maybe we go Euro and let's go with a Golf or something. If I can't find an E40, if I can't find a good Beamer in my budget, maybe a Golf. I've always liked those cars. They seem pretty cool. But I also want to be practical a little bit. That's the thing. I want to build a car, but at the same time I want to be practical for the winter to get around. So maybe it might be an SUV. For SUVs, I'm trying to think, okay, what can I do content on, you know? Because I would try to milk that thing for as much as I can, just like I have this Marauder. That's just how I am. So it might be a domestic, like a Jeep, or like a Jeep Wrangler, a Jeep Cherokee, Grand Cherokee, a Chevy Blazer. I would love to get a Blazer. Those things are nice. Maybe a truck. But I don't know. I'm on a budget with it because I don't know how long I'm going to keep it. Maybe for the season, and that's it. And then I'm probably going to purchase a better, like a newer car by my next birthday. So I have a year for that. So essentially, the car would be just for like a year, unless like it's a really nice build. Then I would keep it and continue with it, which is what I'm thinking. Europe, the Beamers. The E46 we have right now is nice, but I'm trying to figure out, do I just want to paint it and detail it and draw this? I think I figured out the coolant leak issue. I honestly think the last time I installed the expansion tank, I probably missed a clip or whatever and got loose, which caused the coolant to spill out. Like straight up, I feel like that was the case. The past couple of days, I removed the entire coolant system. And well, the expansion tank and all those hoses, not the entire thing, but I removed all that and then reinstalled it, added more coolant, bled the system, and there's no leaks. I had it on for like an hour, no leaks at all. So I feel like the E46 is like back to drivable condition, except for the paint. But I don't know if I want to invest more money into that. I might just get rid of that, use the funds for that to get another E46. But I honestly want to hear you guys' thoughts. Like, what kind of vehicle would you like to see on the channel for the winter months? I was going to do the Audi A4, but that's a lost cause right now. We have it in the shop right now. There's a few reasons for that. I'm going to go over those once we get the car home, once we deal with the entire ordeal and I know that the car is back home and running. Because that's stuff that I can't do. Because the things that the things that car needs done to it are things that I cannot do myself right now. I don't have the experience or the tools or the knowledge to do that. So I'm going to get to the experts. There's these guys. There's the shop, who's like family friends of mine, of my parents, and they're experts on Euro cars and all that kind of stuff. So we gave it to them. They said they'll do whatever they take to get the car back up and running. So we'll hear from them in like a week, they said. So there's that, and I'm excited for that. So we'll see what happens with that car. But I need a personal car myself, and I want it to, like, the main things is I want it to be drivable in the winter to an extent. Drivable to an extent in the winter. Dailyable, probably auto, not manual, because it's a daily. Because it'll be a car that my parents would drive too, and I don't think they are keen on driving manual. So we'll see. I honestly want you guys' opinion. So if you guys have any thoughts or comments on what you guys want to see, leave it down below. I'm open to anything, really, as long as I'm able to get it here in BC. It can't be anything that I need to import, because I need this car like by the end of the month. Maybe get another Pontiac. You guys never saw it on the channel because it was my first car, and I got the Mustang after I had owned the Pontiac. I had a Pontiac G5, or it's a Pontiac Pursuit Coupe. I got the base model, but that's basically the equivalent of a Chevy Cobalt. And I really will one day love to get a Chevy Cobalt SS. I just love that car. It's my first car, was basically the base model of that car. And at the same time, I had started playing Need for Speed Most Wanted, and it had a Cobalt SS as the starting vehicle. I played that game with that car so much, and I fell in love with that car because of that. So that's definitely on the list of cars I can get. Maybe another base model instead of a SS, unless you can find a cheap SS. There are a couple that need a bit of work, but I'm open to that. As long as I can get a good deal on one, I'm fine with an SS. If it's manual, it's manual, but it's front wheel drive, so I can still use it in the winter and still do other things with it. And I'd be excited for a Cobalt SS, but I honestly don't know. I'm thinking Euro, because leather interior, the suspension is nice on those cars, on E46s and E90s. So I don't know. I really want you guys' thoughts. And if you guys want to see another bike, well, another bike's an option too. I'm thinking this might be the last season with the Marauder, and probably try and get up to an M90. Try pick up an M90 for next season. It's still in the Suzuki family. It's like the next step up from this bike. So I'm thinking I might get a Boulevard M90 next. But we'll see. That's probably for next season. We still got this season and probably till like the end of the year for this bike. Unless I decide to keep this. If I keep this, it's getting restored and probably get the collector plates on it, and then just keep it around for shows and all that. I don't know. I definitely don't want to get rid of it, but we'll see what happens. I'm on a tight budget, and the money from this bike would come in handy on the next bike. We'll see. We'll see. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you all for watching, and thank you all for watching till the end and listening to me rant. I would really love to hear you guys' thoughts on this. Leave your thoughts in the comments down below, and I'll get back to you guys. I read all of them, although I am behind sometimes on replying. Apologize for that. I go through my comments like every 1 or 2 weeks. So I will probably be getting back to all the comments you guys send on this video probably by the end of the week. So thank you all. Thank you all for the continuous support. It's your boy Jay, the Motor Marauder, signing out again. Hope you guys have an amazing day and amazing week, and I'll catch you on the next video. Adios.